Okie dokie. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit of a mess right now, but we continue. So let's do this. I do think I need to update my bob levels. I don't think my bob levels are correct, but I do see that London low has also created relative equal lows. So this is a very big point of interest. Don't mind me. Let's put on the glasses. Let's get things going. Sorry, it's been a, I don't even think chaotic day begins to describe it, but it's fine. Here's London high. We really are stuck in a little bit of a range. Let's see what New York brings. Again, I'm just gonna be forward testing. Sad. Oh well. Gonna be forward testing. Let me just double check email. Let's confirm. Yep, still nothing. It's fine. I'm still waiting for my Tradeovate login details, so I still cannot trade, which makes me sad. But I guess it is what it is. Can't be a fussy goose. We continue. We do what we can, right? Yeah, at least I still have the live information, right? At least we still got that live, so that's fine. Better than nothing. Sorry, I was quickly checking something. There we go. I see Lucas is in the room. So what I wanted to check on. Okay, one thing at a time. Hey Geordie, what's up? How are we doing? I'm good, I'm good. I'm running around like a headless chicken. It was first my friend who got sick, and then I went to the stables, and then my horse was like suffering because of the heat, to the point where I was like, maybe I need to call a vet out. But he's fine. But it just means that my anxiety levels are like up here. So let's do this. I'm going to forward test for the opening up until 10, and then after that I'm going to hop into Discord. So I won't be live for very long today, so that's cool. Like I said, just do a little bit of forward testing, and then I'm going to hop into voice chat on Discord. Let me actually just... Sorry, I see that he's there. Just letting him know. Shame, someone wanted to show me levels, and I was like, yeah. But I need to do this first. Hey, Funny Official, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? At least we're already... I've marked out all the zones already, so that's cool. This level was taken. These, ignore these. Oopsies, but anyways. That one broke. Interesting, like I said, that one already would have been a loss, so it's fine. I did check out the full zone. It would have maybe just ticked me out to be a break even. Hey, Valo. How we doing? Hey, you're the first on the horizontal. How goes it? How goes it? Are we ready and steady? What do we think is going to happen? Do we think this is just going to... How do I say this? Do we think this is just going to go sideways until the news at 10? Or do we think there's going to be hectic movement until 10? You know, everyone getting their orders in or taking their orders out before the news. There we go. But we're gonna do what we can, right? News. I see there's something here at 10. Maybe it's not. It's consumer confidence. Do we think that's gonna have any impact or not really? Yeah, I know that the hectic news is tomorrow, right? What time is that hectic news tomorrow? Do we know? AOTT, what's up? FOMC tomorrow. Okay. Do you know what time FOMC is tomorrow? Also, for everyone, heyo.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
OTT, just for you, and High Life, but High Life isn't here. I've made this, you can use this meme, meme effect, if you will. This, just exclamation mark, huh, like HUH, like, huh. That's how you get this for when I have, lack of a better word, brain fart, right? I feel like that works. They're fine, they've just been sleeping the whole day. I've been running around like a headless chicken, but we continue, right? We're gonna just keep pushing through. We have got this. Like I said, I've been running around like a headless chicken today. Geordie, how's your day been? How's everyone's day been? Sorry, I've made it a little bit about me, but how's everyone's day been going? Is everyone doing amazing? Are we ready for New York? Do we think this is just gonna continue chopping? London was choppy, this is now choppy, so this price action is, but maybe we get something good. Sorry, I haven't had any water the whole day, so we've got this. One breath at a time. It's during 9 p.m. out. No! Oh well, it's fine. Yucky. Are you gonna stay up to watch, or are you just gonna see what chaos happened when you hop onto the charts then on Thursday? I'm trying to decide if I should maybe hop on or yeah, check out what works. Work was cuck. Weather's wet, super rainy. Oh no! Work was cuck, that sounds about right. Weather's wet. I'm so jealous. Please bring the rain down this side. Like I said, I'm actually low-key dying. I think I tanned just running to go to my friend. I'm surprised I'm not burnt. But we continue. What time is it? So we still have a little bit of time to go. Also sucks about the gym. I know that feeling. I've only now been getting back into my exercise. I've been making sure that I at least do some things every day. Regardless of how I feel, I know sometimes it's so hard to motivate yourself to go and do things, but I try and see it as disciplined as I have to be on the charts. I have to be disciplined in my daily life as well. That's the only way, right? You gotta beat the mental state in trading and in literally everything else. Despite how literally I do not want to do that, but it's fine. Hey Frank, what's up? How you doing? How's it going, Frankie? I don't know why I called you Frankie, I'm so sorry, but how's it going? Okay. Why do I feel, there we go. It's like, is time going backwards? I feel like time just went backwards there for a minute, but it's okay. And OTT, what you been up to? Have you been back testing the bob levels? How do they look? Good and freezing, yeah. I'm so jealous. Do you know what? I think I'll definitely take cold over the heat. Yeah, I've made up my mind. After today, I'm very happy to take cold over the heat, and apparently next week here it's supposed to get into the 40s. So that's great. That's fun for me. Oh, would have done a joke, but it's boring now. Oh no! Yeah, no, it's hard. Luckily, I have like Perry. I can't not take him for a walk, or else he gets super angry at me. So he kind of forces me to. So now basically what I do is when I take him for a walk on the beach, I force myself to do like lunges on the beach and squats. If there's people there judging me, it is what it is. But you know, I kind of force myself to just do that. It makes me feel like I've done something, even though it's not like hectic stuff. It's better than nothing. Just watching birds on volume profile, then I'm gonna get into bob levels, taking it slow. Nice. Yeah, Geordie, it's apparently supposed to be insane. So looking forward to that chaos. Hey Bob, I'm low-key dying, Bob, but thank you. Yeah, I'm like, death is on its way. Platinum player, I should stream it. Oh, what, the workouts in the morning? I guess I could while Perry's out there trying to dig up poor crabs. I feel so bad for them. He's so mean to them. He's so mean to the crabs. Vela, that's not okay. I'm just saying, having 40-degree weather is just not okay. I'm complaining and it's like 29, 30. So can you imagine me next week? You guys, I might just sit here and not even talk. I think talking will make me sweat. So I'm just gonna sit here and looking grumpy as hell, and you will know why. Hey, don't go outside on those days. Stay inside 24 hours straight. Let's go. Oh, thanks, Jordy. Yeah. Well, let's see if we can. I don't know if we'll be able to push it to 12k during this stream. I have my doubts. Maybe we must just like spam that like button and see if we can get more people. But I think that's being a little bit optimistic. 4 minutes to go until open. Again, can only forward test, which again makes me sad, but it is what it is. 40 Celsius ain't that hot. I'm sorry. What? Bob, did you just say 40 degrees Celsius is not that hot? Are you guys okay? Hey, is it Spaniso? Chris, what's up? Hey, Tabang, how you doing? I'm sorry, Bob, are you good? You don't think 40 degrees is hot? My horse will disagree with you, I'm just saying. My horse was, suffering today. Oh boy. Also, is Chris? Is it? Can I just call you Chris? Are you from Australia? Sorry, I'm being a little bit like, you said mate, you should be from Australia, but yeah, out of curiosity, are you from Australia? There's a few Australians here, I love it. It's very, very cool. Also, isn't it super late? Why are the Australians awake right now? Thank you. Texas region. How much is that in Celsius, Bob? How much is that in Celsius? I hit the first like button today. Shout out to my South African. Oh, thanks, Volkus. You're so sweet. There we go. I'm in Spain. Don't worry, I'm in Spain without the S. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. No worries, I'm in Nelspruit. Okay, cool. So another South African, welcome. How are you doing? How's Nelspruit weather? Wow. How is Nelspruit weather? I used to live in Hoedspruit, by the way, so I know exactly. It's pretty hectic. 46 degrees Celsius. Bob, are you good? Bruh, that's not okay. Nothing about that is okay. What do you do on those days? Like, surely you can't function. It's 3:28. Yeah, YouTube agent, why are you, like, in the morning? Why are you awake? Clorox is silver going crazy, I've heard. Oh, YouTube agent, I'm so sorry. That really, really sucks. Ah, wait. Okay, we have a minute to go. Do we think this is just gonna go stay in the aircon? See, I don't have aircon. Okay, I'm gonna pay attention for a minute, believe it or not. Gonna focus. We finally have a break from the rain, so we welcome the heat. Oh, shame. Yeah, do you want to send the rain down this way? At this point, it might be better. Actually, you know what? I'm convinced that South Africans are just never happy with the weather. I'm convinced of it. If it's too hot, we're complaining that it's too hot. Too cold, we're complaining that it's too cold. Here's the opening. Let's see. Whoa. Okay, here we go. Well, this is about to take out that London low / relative equal lows. There we go. That was taken. There's that crazy sell side liquidity I was kind of waiting for. No, let me drink. Wait, why would you drink hot tea or coffee? Oh, like it's hot because the okay. 3:30 p.m., not a.m. Okay, that's not bad. Same here. It's like 4 p.m. in South Africa right now. Clorox, no new hairdresser. I'm just not wearing my headband. Yeah, which I know is a little bit different, but this is what my hair just normally looks like. I just don't have my headband. Don't be crazy. I've definitely not gone to the hairdresser. Damn. Hairdressers be expensive, Clorox. Like literally. Especially if you're a girl with long hair. So expensive. Here's the 9:30 range. Nope, why did I do that? Okay, I'm still kind of forward testing these zones. So there's 9:30. Let's see what we get here. This does not look promising. The opening candle being a doji is not what you want to see, but let's see. It's anxiety. Good grief. So the US market opens 1 hour later for you than me. You're not too far from me. I'm right next to the top of every. Oh, that's so cool, YouTube engine. That is awesome. Hey, Spawn, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? How goes it? Oh damn, let's see if this is, or if this becomes the first presented. That'll be quick. That'll be quite cool. No, let's not try drinking a hot tea. Bob, what? I have so many questions. Why? Does it help almost cool you down because you then feel hot from like the inside? Did that make sense? That kind of made sense. Okay, but we took out those relative equal lows, which is what I wanted to see it take. Let's see if this is indeed the first presented or if this is going to come back down. Like I said, I want to forward test this opening. So it might not be the longest stream today, but we're forward testing this opening. It's Texas science. I love it. Ah, there we go. I mean, theoretically, there's the tiniest fair value gap ever that it just went straight through there. Cool. It is there. Again, it's itty bitty. It's an itty bitty baby. Itty bitty baby. And that just disrespected it completely, but okay, let's see if it then comes back down. Even have to zoom in to be able to get it to go places. Oh, you poor little thing. There we go. You go back there. Okay, so there's first presented. Create a little bit of an inverse now. This looks like it's a little bit heavy to the bear side today. Hey, Forex with MRGC. What? Oh, is it Mr. Gold? Is that what it is? How you doing? Also, thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, what time are we looking at here? Okay, let's see. We can then, oopsie daisies, mark out the 5-minute range quickly, or soon when this closes. And then I would like to test. This, it is rangy right now, don't get me wrong, this is super rangy. I don't think I would actually take this, but we are forward testing for a reason, right? In these market conditions, let's see. ES and NQ are very different right now. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, Focus, I agree. I am not having high hopes for anything right now. Okay, here's the 5-minute candle. Cool. Here's the 5-minute. Okay. On any normal day, I would not take this, but we are forward testing these different levels. I would indeed have... What's I want? I would have 3 confluences for this. So... potentially. Again, ES and NQ look shockingly different right now, so that's not great. Parks with Mr. Gold, what's up? I'm looking to buy around previous day high. Ooh, interesting. Okay, okay. Rob, what's up? And thanks liquidity first, observing on new stuff. My bet is price gets down to ICT stuff. Messed up on one micro short for fun. Looking at the exact same thing right now. What's up, Parks with Mr. Gold? What's the question? Oh, see if this now retests. I don't know if I would want to get in on this. This is now just going to drop bye-bye. Okay, okay. I did suspect that maybe it would do something interesting like this. See if it retests level to level. It never gets old. I'm in a short. There we go. Bob's just here converting us all to level people. I love it. Forex with Mr. Gold, are you about to ask for money? 918 is the target. 918? Are my levels like way off? I feel like they're way, but it's okay. I see 930 wick low for a short. Sure, ES is stuck. ES is a little bit stuck right now. I'm waiting for it to come back up and retest that fair value gap at the 5-minute low. Yep. The 5-minute low will actually be amazing. There's a fair value gap, so my entry here would be too much, but there's like bob level, the wick, or as I like to call it, a shelf, if you will. There's a lot of confluences for this one, but let's see, this low-key just looks like it's running away right now. See how sure it is gold instead of GC. Yeah, Jody, because I mean it is, right? Am I wrong? Was I wrong to say that? Should I have called it GC? Are you guys happy about that? I love it. I love it. I aim to please. Although according to Garav, I'm a very fake idiot, so just kidding. I know who my amazing community members are and who does not belong here. How am I done trading 8 mins? Are you done? Like done, Jordy? What the heck, man? What? I can't believe you're done. That is ridiculous. All right then. What the heck, man? Yo, no, honestly, that deserves a whoop. Whoop whoop a Jody. There we go. Waiting for that. That means you're one of us now. Your mind is charged. Amazing. I love it. One of us. One of us. One of us. Flew to the freaking level. Cool, I feel like my levels are then very out. I'm gonna have to sort out my levels. Hey, Bob. I want to see a trade breakdown later. I watched it run to it. There we go. So OTT, are you becoming a fellow Bob levelist? Bob levelist? Ah, we could call it Bob levelist. That sounds weird, but you know what I mean. Hey, Joy of Travel, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? Chris? Lance? Yes and no. I haven't been able to trade the last 2 days, which has made me sad, but I guess it is what it is. They had retested that fair value gap. At that level, let's see. Okay, so Bob, you're in on the short. My entry would be at, what's that, 965. I took the buy previous day high and boom. Well done. Well done, Chris. That is amazing. Okay, I would have been tagged in for a short here also. Okay, let's see. Bob, me and you would be in the same boat right now. This would be my trade. This would be my trade. This is definitely an A+ setup. Let's see if it respects it or not. Low-key looks like a V-shaped pattern and it's wanting to push on ES, so that's not ideal, but as long as you stick to your rules, you have your confluences, whatever happens, happens, right? Do you have travel? You just got home from work. Amazing! How was work? I love the... obviously. Oh, damn! Okay. Stop loss said, no! Bob, no! Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, it's pushing on ES. ES looks a little bit scary. Okay, tapped into VWAP. My last line of defense would be essentially the first presented fair value gap. Let's see. Drop, baby, drop. Let's go. I'm trying to get the same emotions that I would have if I was trading live. There we go. There we go. Come on. Drop, 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 drop. I don't like this fair value gap, but maybe now this starts to reject nicely off of VWAP. Where there is midpoint right in the middle of inverse. Might have happened. There was another fair value gap above mine. Oh, I'm sorry. I just shorted it again. The first presented fair value gap. Okay, let's see here. Let's see if it respects. Like I said, this would have been my trade. I would most likely be in this trade. So here would have been entry. There I would be a little bit stressed. 1-to-1. I mitigate risk by half. So I'm forward testing as openly and honestly as I can. If you wanted to drop, it has to clear 25,900. See, my TP is at 25,900. Full first, private. I like you with the open hair. I would like to see you riding. What with my hair flowing in the wind? Yeah, believe me, this hair's a mess. Break even already. Nice. Do it, Jordy. Magic tricks for life. Come on, I would like to see a little bit more of a rejection here. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Reject, 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 reject. Come on. I'm gonna break even if it takes PD. Oh no. Well, Bob, did you stick with your rules? Okay, so this might be a full... Yeah, the way it was pushing on ES was not ideal. However, shorts are still stronger on NQ. Sorry, I'm talking through what my brain is thinking. Okay, let's see what happens. I break even now already just for safety. Yes. That's what I'm working on the most. Yay, Bob! Well then, do you know what? Then, in my opinion, you have won. Right? Then in my opinion, you have definitely won. As long as you stuck to your rules, then it... You know, stuff happens. Sugar honey iced tea happens. So, well done. Super proud. We can get a whoop whoop for Bob, actually. Bob, you get a whoop whoop. For sticking with your rules. That is all that matters at the end of the day. I know that sounds like a weird thing to say, but it really is all that matters at the end of the day. As long as you have your rules and you stick to them, then it's fine. I would still be in this. Okay. Dog sighing like he has the most difficult life in the world. Oh, another little bit of a rejection off of VWAP. I would like to see it drop further now, though. Come on, reject properly. I was gonna make a really bad joke, being like, rejected more than I get rejected, but this is not the time nor the place to start making jokes like that. Let's carry on. Let's proceed. OTT, I'm so cooked on it. So sorry. No, you've got this. You've got this. Oh no, that's not enough. That's not enough rejection. Come on. Don't have a fear of rejection. Let's do this. Thanks, Chris. I appreciate that you think I'm funny. Wait, OTT, this is for you saying you're so cooked. To be fair, it looks like I would also be cooked, so this is for both of us. Okay. I would still be in this. This looks like it's gonna be a slow, painful death. Again, I'm not in this, but yeah, you know what I mean. Slow, painful death incoming. Struggling to break above 930 high is also good. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Just gonna make those stand out a little bit more. No, what did I just press? Okay, we good. Hey, Lukey. I was bare, but yeah, I was bare. How about you, Lukey? OTT, you took mad risk on this. Yeah. Go on. OTT, I was gonna ask you about where your stop loss and stuff are, but don't tell me. Just let me know when, or if, or when things happen. Right, that's all you can do. Just let me know when and how. And oh no. Okay, I would still be in this. Tapped into first presented, tapped into the 9:30 AM range. Reject, reject, reject. No! Okay, here we go. I would be such a grumpy goose right now. Then we're not cooked. We good. Jordy, are you out of break even? Bull waiting for pullback. I've not been aggressive enough to go bull on current low. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, okay, Jordy. So you're on. Whoop. Okay. So that would have been a loss. And this is why I get confirmations by doing this. And some days this works like a dream. Other days I really have to properly wait until like 10 for it to stop at shenanigans. NQ loves its shenanigans. Watch it start dropping now. Woo! I won't be impressed. NQ is printing on that, but Chris, are you still in that? What? Nice. Okay. Are you still in this long? Did you leave a runner or something? Or where's your TP at? Are you aiming for the London highs? Oh, OTT, don't worry. Mine would have been 2, so we both... Sad music for us. But, in the same breath, as much as it's sad music for us, it's also whoop whoop, because me, you, and Bob would have stuck to our rules, so... With that, we get that. We can get whoop whoops for ourselves, right? We gotta also celebrate the fact that we stuck with our rules. Okay, today I had to lock myself out. Ooh, okay, well done for locking yourself out, right? FD John, what's up? How's the Philippines treating you? Ooh, okay. Chris targeting the land. Is it okay that I call you Chris, or would you prefer me to call you something else, by the way? But if the volume is good, I might leave it for the rest of the Remember, try, I know it's so hard, but try not to be greedy. That's just me speaking from my experience. What if you leave a runner? Like you take everything and you leave one runner. Right? Revenge trading was creeping in. Oh no, Bob, yeah, I get it. I get it. Chris is fine. Okay, awesome, I'm glad. Glad. So that would have been a loss. Let's see now. I was looking at this. So that would have been a goodie, but again, just me. The confluences were not confluencing, so it's fine. That being said, there was that rejection off. After London High, let's see how this goes now. I didn't trade for this day, waiting for the big boom. Oh, tomorrow with the FOMC, right? Valid. Let's see if this creeps back down. Sorry, I know this kind of looks like chaos right now. There we go. Woo! Sorry, speaking of chaos. My whole day's been a little bit chaotic. Hey Selma, what's up? Chris, are you trading a funded account or what are you trading? So I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How you doing? Yeah, it's valid. There we go. Okay, let's wait until 10. Let's do this thing. Lukey, have you gotten a good setup or not yet? Going. This thing is now gone. Bye-bye. I'm assuming, Lukey, you're waiting for the pullback here? Do you trade gold? Chris? Yes and no. Oh, I've upset people. I've lost some followers, my bad. Ooh, upset some people. Oopsies. Anyways. So, I do have a look at gold now and then, but I haven't even been trading for a year yet. Yeah. So, for me, it's more about getting or maybe not amazing. Amazing is maybe pushing it, but good at one asset and then going from there. Whoop, there's the London High. Whoop, whoop, well done. Hey, go have fun. I can't trade again today, unfortunately. If I still can't trade tomorrow, I'm gonna send them a message and be like, yo, can we please get this going? Change your plans again. I use very small stop loss, big TP specific. I'm done high time frame. Yeah. I'm sorry, did you just say like 15-second zones? 15-second zones. Oh, that what? Funded, but it's only one. Ah, there we go. Okay, wait, maybe this means. Let me check. Maybe this means that I've got. Hey! Hey! Okay. I've got my login details. it means that I'll be able to start trading again tomorrow. Heck yeah, let's do this. Stop. It can't be unpause as soon as you sign your have full access to all tools. Okay. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna have to then sort this out, but it means I can then go and do that. But it does mean that I might then call it for today. That being said, I am gonna hop in to Discord. Of course, whoops, yep. Open TradeAway first, yes. The TradeAway on one tab and TradingView on the other. It was surprisingly well. Interesting. Oh, thanks so much. Okay. On that note, sorry, it's gonna be apparently a very quick stream today. I'm gonna then sort out all of this stuff. I will then be back properly tomorrow. What I am gonna do though, while I'm sorting all this out, I'm actually gonna hop in to the Discord voice chat. So if you guys want to join, you're more than welcome to. Let's go have some chit chat. Maybe chit chat is the wrong word. Let's go discuss. I see Lukey, you're already there. Here we go. If anyone is keen and wants to join, more than welcome to. While I sort my life out. Oh goodness. But yes, on that note, I love you guys madly. I'll see you in Discord then. Yeah. Love you guys.